What's up, everyone? Today we're going to be taking a look at some real and effective strategies that will help you grow your Discord server. Before I started recording this video, I went through YouTube and I watched some guides on growing your Discord server. Although I did find a few very useful videos, most of the content that's out there is very basic and uninformative. The real problem is growing a Discord server requires you to have an actual strategy. Without a strategy for growth on Discord, your Discord server is not going to grow. The thing about Discord is it has no form of discoverability. If people are searching for a Discord server on Google, there's no way for them to find the Discord server they're looking for unless that Discord server has some YouTube videos made or they've listed their Discord server on one of the sites that catalog Discord servers like discord.org. So without having a real effective strategy for Discord server growth, your server is going to be pretty much non-existent because there's no way for anyone to find that server. By watching this video, you'll not only have an effective strategy for growth, you'll have the resources and information required to do so. If after watching this video you have any questions regarding the content that's in this video, feel free to reach out to my staff team or myself within my Guilded or Discord servers. Both of them are linked in the description below. If you're someone that likes to be properly informed and you like well thought out content, this channel's for you. So make sure you leave a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. While we're on the topic of effective Discord growth strategies, I want to introduce the sponsor that made this video possible. If you're like me and you have at least 50 Discord members, you need to join the NordVPN Discord Partnership Program. NordVPN is offering some of the most competitive commission rates for Discord owners. The Discord server partners get 40% commission on signups and continued commissions on renewals. That means not only can you make some extra cash, but it can be residual. As a creator, this is always a huge plus. You can sign up for Discord partnership using the link in the description below or head over to nordvpn.com/discord. Commission is paid out as follows. For the 1 month subscription type, you will receive 100% of their first month and 30% of the recurring months. For the 6-month, 1 year, and 2 year plans, you will get 40% of the initial payment and 30% on any renewals. Along with the partnership and commissions, you will get a dedicated partner manager to help assist with any of your needs. I was able to have my manager help me throw together a giveaway for 3 free NordVPN accounts. So not only are you making some extra cash, you are giving your community some freebies along the way. With that being said, you will also get access to all the marketing material necessary to properly promote NordVPN within your server. This will help build the legitimacy of your server by working directly with a widely trusted security and privacy brand that has over 15 million active users. So be sure you sign up for the Discord Partnership Program if you have 50 or more Discord server members. You can do so using the link in the description below or head to nordvpn.com/discord. Let's start with the basics of growing your Discord server. It might seem somewhat self-explanatory, but cross-pollinating members from one platform to the next is an essential part of growing your social media. What I mean is that you should be talking about your Discord server and including your Discord server link in all of the other content that you create. You should have a Discord link in your Twitch panels. You should have a Discord link in your Twitter and Instagram bios. You should include your Discord link on your YouTube videos. You should be talking about your Discord in all of the content that you create. Promoting your Discord server doesn't have to be complicated. Think about it like this. The more you talk about the things that you do as a creator, the more users and the more fans are going to go find those things that you do because they're interested in the value that you're creating on other platforms. If they're currently watching you on one platform, they're going to be interested in what you're doing on another platform. And if you're doing it well on the other platform, they're going to stick around and enjoy that content as well. If you do that, you've successfully cross-pollinated your fans into another platform, giving you a bigger and wider audience. The important part of this is making sure you actually promote your server in the content that you create. But the basics begin by placing a link to that server and all of the social media that you create content on. Now that we have the basics out of the way, we can start talking about strategies for growing your server. I won't be talking about really easy and simple strategies in this video, which seems to be the majority of information that's out there for this sort of thing. I'm going to be talking about real, raw, actual strategies that will bring members to your server. The first strategy I want to talk about is offering value. Creating value is the most effective strategy for growing any social media platform, and Discord is no different to this. So what do I mean by value? Value is defined as the regard that something is held to deserve, the importance, worth, or usefulness of something. Providing value means that you're offering something of importance, worth, or usefulness. What you need to do is think really hard on how you and your Discord server is going to provide value to members. For example, my Discord community offers free support for technical issues when it comes to streaming, audio, and video. This support is community-based, and the value that members get is that free help from other members within the community. I was able to create that entire support system by following the very simple basics that I talked about before. I talk about the Discord server in every single video that I make. I ask members to join the server if they have any questions after watching that video. This drives members to the server when they have questions or they need to seek some further assistance for something. For a long while, I actually answered every single question myself until we had enough members that were knowledgeable enough to answer those questions themselves, and I gave those members the rules necessary to help build the server further. And now my Discord server has a life of its own. Another effective strategy as a creator, and this kind of goes hand in hand with offering value, is you can give your members access to free downloads on things that you create. I see this with so many creators now creating stream overlays, creating graphics, creating panels or whatever, that their members can go into Discord and download those for free. This is a great way to bring members to your server, but the biggest issue I'm seeing with this strategy is a lower retention rate for those members. A lot of people will come, grab the download, and leave, and the problem with this is that Discord partnership requires you to have at least 20% retention for 1 week on new members. So if those members are joining and leaving, it's not very likely that you're going to get Discord partnership in the future if your Discord server grows to a larger size. But nonetheless, this is a very, very effective strategy for getting more members in your server. You should be making content that directly relates to the stuff that you do on your Discord server. Discord has no discoverability, so it simply sits there hiding away from search engines like Google. So there are only a few ways to make it so new members can find your server. Firstly, you want to make content that's relevant to the Discord server that you own. For instance, if we open up YouTube right now and we search Among Us Discord server, you will notice these results. All of these videos are basically just advertisements for Among Us based Discord servers. You have a video with Among Us server with 700,000 members. You have the 5 best Discord servers for Among Us. You have Among Us live streams where they are playing with viewers and tying that in with their Discord server. You have the Among Us Discord, and you have all these videos with their own unique twist about their server and how it relates to the game Among Us, driving members and viewers from search engines to these videos and to their Discord server. Having content that's searchable on platforms like YouTube will help grow your server. Not only is YouTube really beneficial, it is also tied in really well with Google. So if someone were to search Among Us Discord server, your video might pop up on that Google search. Another SEO or search engine optimization strategy is to use the sites that catalog Discord servers. These websites saw a real issue with Discord discoverability, so they made a website where Discord server owners can list their Discord server. That way it can be searched on search engines. This will increase the likelihood of your server being discovered from searches on Google or Bing or what have you. The sites that do this include disboard.org, discord.me, top.gg, discordservers.com, discordservers.me. You can take a look at the list that I have displayed on the video here, and you can actually see how much traffic these websites bring. You'll notice that a lot of these websites drive an incredible amount of traffic. Disboard.org, for example, brings in 10.3 million views a month. These websites are getting millions and millions of looks a day because this is the only way for members to find Discord servers on the internet outside of videos on YouTube. Lastly, once you have members in your server, you need an effective strategy for keeping them around and retaining those members. This is probably the hardest thing to do when it comes to a Discord server, because most people will join your server, and if they don't like what they're seeing or if they're finding it hard to navigate, then they're going to leave. This is probably true for 99% of Discord servers out there, besides the very few that are extremely large and have a ton of active members. So creating an effective strategy for retaining members is very important. Some of the basics for Discord retention is making sure that every member that speaks within your server is getting some sort of response. Whether that's in 5 minutes or 5 hours, you want to make sure you're at least responding or communicating with every member that joins your server. Going from an inactive community to a very active community is probably the hardest thing to do on Discord, and it's something that I myself am actively working on right now. I have a server of 13,000 members. I grew from 0 members last year. Most of my members come in, ask their question, and then they leave and they never come back to the server. I'm currently trying to figure out ways to keep members around, and as soon as I find an effective way of keeping members in the server, I will definitely be making a video on that. So far, what I've found is keeping your Discord server as simple as possible is the best thing that you can do. Oftentimes, new members come to a server and they find it rather complicated when there's a lot of categories and a lot of channels in those categories. They're scrolling through and they're trying to find the channel they want to communicate in, and it's not really self-explanatory on where to go and what to do. What I've done in my server is slimmed it down to the least amount of channels as possible, starting with an info channel explaining what all the channels are and where you need to go for what thing. The next thing that I found rather useful is instead of having a bot welcome a member by saying, "Hello, welcome to our server," I have the bot ping the member and ask them a question. The question that I have them ask is, what can we help you with? Because our server is a support server. But you can think of a way to implement that same strategy within your server by asking new members a question that might entice them to respond within your chat channels. In the comment section below, let me know which strategy you guys are going to start implementing to grow your own Discord server. Remember, it's very important to promote your server, include your server in all the social media platforms that you create content on. Create unique content related to your Discord server on those social platforms, and then also implement some sort of SEO strategy so that your Discord server can be discovered on search engines. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more content just like this. If you need any assistance after watching this video, feel free to hop in my Guilded or Discord servers. Both of those are linked in the description below. For those of you interested in showing your support for my channel, make sure you check out my Guilded subscriptions, my Patreon, or all of the merchandise. All of those things I have linked in the description below. With that being said, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I will catch you next time. Peace.